babies, welcome to a new video, and this one is gonna be about a productive day in my life as a 10th grader along with my PT1 exam preparation vlog. Well, my PT1 exams are starting from 22nd of April, so probably this will be my last video before my exams. Well, that day I woke up around 8:30, like almost. Then I did my skincare and just removed the curtains of the room. Well, after that, my first thing was to prepare the to-do list. Well, according to the to-do list, my first session was of biology. Well, the chapter 1 only, which was life process. It's a very lengthy chapter and it really takes a lot of time to complete up. Like notes making even is very much time taking for this one. Well, I was doing it for the transportation portion. Now let me give you guys a syllabus update for my PT1 examination. So for chemistry, it's chapter 1, which is chemical reactions and equations. Now for biology, it's the life process chapter, which is chapter 1 of it. And then we have physics. For physics, it's chapter 1's half portion. That means the lights chapters only up to deflection portion. So yeah, that's what about the syllabus update which are coming for like PT1 examinations science. Well, then I wrote this and it was a very time-taking process. Well, if anyone is just like want to know how I take notes, you have the video on my channel, you can check it out as well. Other than that, I was watching Alexa's lecture which is available on YouTube. It's called Gunshot. So I was just watching that, I was understanding the topics, along with it I was taking some notes. And make sure to include your diagrams required whenever you are taking your notes, especially for biology. And if it is required, take the, like you can say, graphs and all notes for physics. Oh well, yeah, this much what I did. Like it took me like almost 1.5 hours to complete this much. It was really so lengthy and time taking process to do. Well, after I completed biology, it was the time for history and I was doing the reading from NCERT book for the chapter number 4, as this one is coming on our PT1 examination. Actually, SST's syllabus is very lengthy according to PT1's, because I think it's really heavy one for 20 marks exam. Actually, a PT1 examination will be for 20 marks. And for history, there are 2 chapters, like the rise of nationalism in Europe and the age of industrialization, and half of the age of industrialization chapter. And for economics, it's chapter 1, which is development. For geography, it's again chapter 1, development and resources. And for pol science or civics, it's the chapter 1, which is power sharing. So it's a bit lengthy, along with the map pointing will be included too. So yeah, I was doing the reading up to that particular portion. Then it was the time for me to revise history. So history, the first chapter is again a very lengthy one, so I couldn't complete the revision of the whole chapter in a day. So I broke it down into like 2 particular segments to do in a day. So I opened my notes, like what I made. So it's my handmade notes and I was taking help from NCERT and I was revising. So almost you can say 1/3 of the chapter I have completed the revision. So here I bring the study tip of the video, that is, always make your own handwritten notes. Don't depend upon anyone else's notes or digital notes. Well, after that I had my tea break and took a warm shower and did my skincare as well. So after taking lunch, I took like a nap, you can say, for 1 hour almost. And then during the evening time, I started with my studies again, and it was the time for Civics chapter 1, which is power sharing. Even I did Bengalis and physics work, but I couldn't take any clip of that because my phone was on charging. Okay, so after having my dinner, I had the last study session of the day, which is maths practice. Even I made really yummy cold coffee for me, and it was a session for, you can say, like almost 2 hours, almost, yeah. So I was doing it from my reference book R.S. Agarwal. Well, yeah, here this amazing video comes to an end as it was almost 1:54 a.m. Okay, so it was too late. Well, after that, I checked my to-do list where every single work was completed, so I was very much happy. And yeah, here this amazing video comes to an end, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this one. So do hit the like button and subscribe for more. Bye.